We will now take a look at the properties in Shopware 6 and how you can use them to expand your products. Let's imagine, for example, a customer comes into your music store and wants to know in which colors or from what materials the guitar that we have created in the last videos were made. So this is exactly where the properties come into play. So these can be viewed and filtered by the customers in the storefront, and properties also provide the basis for the product variants. But what exactly does that mean? So let's start by assigning properties to the guitar so it's probably much easier to understand. For that, let's go on the catalogs and then to properties. Here, you will simply click on add property at the top, and then we just need the name for our property. Yeah, let's take in this case body finish as a property for our guitars. After we fill out the name, we can first of all just click on save. Now that we got our property body finish, let's add some values to it. So just simply click on add value down below, and then we need our first name. I will choose Fiesta Red as the first one. You can leave the position text field blank as this is not really necessary for our example now. And yeah, click on color, and I will choose a red color now. I don't know exactly what Fiesta Red is, but this should be working. Okay, so then let's go for another one. I will call it Olympic White and just choose white as in color. Then again, leave the rest blank. Click on apply and then save it. So you can now repeat this process for your second property. You can use there like neck material and the values alder and roasted marble. Okay, so this is how it should look like in the properties overview if you have stored the properties correctly. So there should be body finished and the neck material. So now that we have created these, we should also assign them to our product, right? To the guitar. So let's go to the product overview, catalogs, and then products, and open our American Ultra Stratocaster. And let's go to specifications. When you scroll down here, you will find the properties and you can configure them here. So let's go on them and then choose body finish. And we need to click again on Fiesta Red and Olympic White. And we also can choose the neck material, other, and roasted marble. Then after that, we can just simply click on add. And yeah, the properties are added to our product. But we also need to save the product. So let's take a look in our front end how this look like. We see the first change directly in our product listing, where the two properties are now displayed as filters. So if I want to, I can simply click on the body finish and then choose Fiesta Red. Or as for the neck material, roasted marble. So if I'm a customer, I can now filter by the properties that we've created in the administration. Let's go to the product detail view. Here also at the bottom there is a little overview with all the different properties that the product got. If you like, you can now add more properties before we move on to the next unit. For example, you could give the guitar a pickup type or different weights. You can also try out how the filters work if you add another product with different properties.